welcome Kanchan Rai to Arise, and thank you so much for being here and giving me a special time. And it will be wonderful interacting with you today and knowing you very deeply, and our audience will also know you very deeply about the insightful things which are happening around. So I am definitely trying to get positivity out of this lockdown, where we all do know that we have to float with the situation, but how can we do our best and help people to out of the situation and living with what it is without any fear or anxiety. So should we start? Kanchan, are you ready to go?
Yes, please. Before starting, I would really want you to congratulate because the kind of work and the services you have been doing in the past are really, really commendable. There are very few people who actually think about society as a whole family. And you have been doing work for each and every sector, including birds, pigeons, which has been always, a forgotten area of our society. And you have done so much for them, considering their needs, considering their requirements. That is really, really commendable job. I really want to congratulate to you for that. And I want to thank you personally for serving them so nicely and so beautifully.
Thank you. Thank you so much for that. Okay, so here goes our first question. With everyone locked at home, there has been a great increase in the number of mental illness cases. How is letustalk.org playing a role to combat this?
See, I'll just give a very small and a very quick description about what we do at Latest Talk. So, Latest Talk is an organization, we work here just to spread an awareness about the mental wellness. We all know, there are so many kind of illnesses, and we can cure illnesses with proper meditations and proper guidance and everything. And under a good physician or anyone, anyone can cure medication, any kind of illness. But here at Latest Talk, we focus more about wellness. We try to get into a point, so we try to get hold of a person, before they get into an illness zone. So we just try to, be a boundary between or be a barrier between a person who is suffering right now should not slip into an illness mode. And this is what, the difference lies between wellness and illness. So
Hmm.
here at Latest Talk, we are always here. Like I have a team, my team is already ready, and we have good counselors with us. We have psychiatrists in our team. They are ready to help people, and they are here to listen because I personally feel like most of the mental health issues will solve if people will start sharing what they are up to or what they are feeling. It's like the more you will pile up, the more difficult it will be for you to come out of that zone. So we at every stage of point or at every stage we just try to lend an ear to them and then counsel them how they can actually come out of a current situation then and there itself, rather than letting it pile and pile and turn it into a disastrous situation which is very difficult for anyone to come out easily.
Wow, that's really very helpful to a lot of people there. How is lockdown going on for you in order to stay calm and peaceful? What are some things you are already following daily in terms of wellness?
See, I'll tell you very honestly, if you talk about my personal experience, I don't see there is so much of change happening in my life other than, going to office or going to meet clients one to one and doing their sessions on a personal basis. Now I'm just doing it on, some kind of electronic, that means I'm just getting more into technology driven things. Like I started working on Zoom, I started working on WebEx, I started going live, I started doing webinars, which was not there earlier. But yeah, the essence was always the same. Like essence was always, to spread an awareness, which is very requirement, which is like most required thing, whether be it a COVID situation or non-COVID situation. We just try to spread awareness how mental health is important. So I was doing that thing earlier. I'm doing same thing earlier. The best part about corona or the lockdown is, like we as a family have started living together with no set boundaries with it. Like if I
Mm.
talk about my family, everyone in our family, like not only me, but I'm sure everyone who are living here, they must be having certain targets to achieve in terms of their office. We have children, they have assessments to complete, they have their projects to complete. So there is always a deadline which was hanging above every one of us. So now this is the time when we exactly don't have any deadline to follow. We just follow our own routine. We just follow our own passion. We just follow our family time, me time. And the important thing which we have learned during this time is, like, to respect the privacy of each other living together.
Hmm.
So many of people, they complain like we don't get our me time. Everyone is around all the time. We don't understand how to spend time with our own self. And that is when I tell them, it's not about you. It's about your family as well. It's about whom you are living along with as well. So you have to first respect their privacy. You have to give them their space. Then only you can ask for your space. So this is like a give and take thing, which was not there into the family scene. Like if we talk about situation before, it was always like, if you are at family, you have to be with your family all the time. You have to be with your near one and dear one all the time. But now we have started learning, and now we are actually, practicing the whole me time concept as well. So this is the basic change, and a very positive change, I'll say, we have got through this lockdown tenure.
That's absolutely, I agree to it. That before we always, yeah, like for such people like us who always want to work and who've already, like women like us, is handling family, so it's nothing new for us. पहले जो
Right.
बात ऐसे करते हैं, अब घर बैठ के ज्यादा कर रहे हैं. But one positive thing is that instead of spending time in traffic and car, we're spending good time with family. That's only
Right.
the thing we can actually imagine with our lives.
Very
Uh,
true.